If you knew what I knew, you could get 10 million subscribers within 6 months.
Do you ever wonder how this guy named James Stephen, aka Jimmy Donaldson, with this shaky camera in 2012,
I'm shaking a lot. Sorry, my
even without the tripod, became the best YouTuber now? How did a regular guy become the brand, surpassing every YouTuber and becoming the #1? With an average of around 6 million subscribers per week, he has accumulated over 52 billion views on his channel, making more than 3 million per week only from ads. Not bad for a college dropout, but how did he become so famous? Well, I've been doing some research for quite some time, and I think this man is a YouTube genius. He used 4 main strategies to achieve this. Today, we will try to learn from his journey how a normal YouTuber can be so big by following his strategies. So let's learn and watch till the end as I will reveal his secret strategy. Chemical X the viral formula. In general, viral videos are based on themes like showing money, luxury lifestyle, featuring famous YouTubers, creating a drama, doing difficult challenges, or reactions. And what if we blend them all in one video? The clever thing Mr. Beast does, he has mastered the art of blending multiple viral themes into one video. Whether money-related content, reaction-based scenarios, pranks, challenges, or collaborations with other popular YouTubers, Mr. Beast combines these elements seamlessly to create engaging and shareable content. This approach not only widens the appeal of his content, but also increases its potential for virality. But how will this help the new YouTubers? Well, for this, you have to keep making videos to discover your viral strategy, as Mr. Beast said.
Your videos suck. Make hundreds of videos, improve something every time. When you make good content, you'll blow up. It's not the algorithm, it's not anything. It's just like, you don't just pick up a baseball and become an MLB level athlete.
But making viral potential content and it actually going viral are 2 different things. How will anyone notice your viral content if anyone hasn't seen it? And that brings us to our factor number 2, CTR formula, maximizing the clicks. Mr. Beast's success in creating viral content can be attributed to several key factors, including his mastery of thumbnail and title creation. His titles are short, snappy, and often hold shock value, sparking viewers' interest with just a few words. Short titles catch people's eyes on platforms like YouTube, where most users come from smartphones. They work well because they're brief. In the suggested section, only titles with 40 to 50 characters show up, cutting off longer ones. The suggested section is where the majority decide their next video. Now you know why our genius Jimmy keeps it less than 40 characters. Additionally, Mr. Beast's thumbnails, while seemingly simplistic, are designed to be instantly recognizable and attention-grabbing. They are intentionally crafted to suit the type of videos he produces and are optimized for viewing on smaller screens. By prioritizing these elements, Mr. Beast maximizes click-through rates and ensures that his content stands out in crowded YouTube feeds on every platform. Aspiring YouTubers can learn from his approach by focusing on creating compelling titles and thumbnails that effectively communicate the essence of their videos and entice viewers to click and watch. Now you have an attractive thumbnail and optimized title. Is that enough? No, not without watch time, which is our next factor. First 10 seconds, hook the audience. He doesn't grab the attention by just the title and thumbnail, but also delivers what he promises in the first 10 sec. Let's see this example. Look at this title, thumbnail, and now see the first 10 seconds of the video.
This is a $1 billion super yacht, and it's big enough to hold an entire city on the water. How do humans build this stuff? And I'm gonna show you the difference between this and a 300...
Mr. Beast's strategy for maximizing watch time involves capturing viewers' attention within the first 10 seconds of his videos.
Your title and thumbnail set expectations, and at the very beginning of the video, to minimize drop-off, you want to assure them that those expectations are being met.
By employing this hooking technique, Mr. Beast ensures that viewers know what to expect from the start, increasing the likelihood that they will stay engaged throughout the video. In short, Jimmy delivers what he promises from title and thumbnails. If you don't deliver what you build from the title and thumbnail, viewers will lose attention. That's why the new YouTuber's graph looks like this, where most of the viewers left the video in the first 10 seconds. You must learn from Mr. Beast's approach by prioritizing engaging introductions, maintaining viewer interest throughout the video, and hooking them from the start until the end to increase the watch time. You have to get going, make video after video, and learn and improve with each step. As Jimmy says,
your first video is not going to get views, period. All you need to do is make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking.
be persistent, don't give up. Eventually, you'll see the growth of the channel. And here comes the main secret point of Mr. Beast's formula: building a brand, the growth strategy. He famously stated in an interview with Casey Neistat,
I just reinvest everything I make. Like, as I made more money, I was just like, all right, well, now I want to spend it on videos somehow.
in Mr. Beast's YouTube journey, one standout aspect is his strategic approach to reinvesting his earnings into improving the quality of his videos. This philosophy of continual reinvestment has played a crucial role in his sustained growth and success on the platform. By allocating resources back into his content, Mr. Beast ensures that each video surpasses the last in terms of production value, entertainment, and audience engagement. This commitment to improvement not only keeps his audience captivated, but also sets a valuable example for aspiring YouTubers. It underscores the importance of prioritizing long-term growth over short-term gains. From these shaky videos to these viral videos, and from these craps to these thumbnails, Mr. Beast's YouTube journey is a testament to the power of perseverance, innovation, and authenticity in the digital age. His story inspires aspiring YouTubers to embrace experimentation, embrace challenges, and above all, remain true to themselves in pursuit of their goals. Up to this point, I hope you have learned something from the video and will implement it in the days ahead. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Additionally, if you want to learn more about growing on YouTube in 2024, check out this video. See you there.